Hey, what's going on, people? Welcome to PJ Guitar. What's going on, my PJ family, the PJ community? Oh man, I'm Patrick Johnson, and I got something for you today. Let me ask you something. You ever been playing your instrument? And this could be, it don't matter what instrument. It ain't just gotta be guitar. You ever been playing your instrument, or you ever been hooking up a sound system, and you run out of cable? Or you run out of cord, it ain't long enough. Or how about this? Maybe you was playing and you got tangled up or wrapped up. Or maybe you're like me and you just get frustrated from packing up cables and cords, quarter-inch cables and cords and getting it all jumbled up and mixed in everything. Let me tell you something, the folks at LEKATO got the answer for you, baby. The folks at LEKATO done put us in the game. They done put us in the game. They said, hey, PJ, we got something we think your people might like. I said, what y'all talking about, LEKATO? I said, what y'all talking about? They said, we got something you might like if you just try it out for us and let the people know your honest opinion. I said, hold on. I said, look. Send it to me. I'm gonna check it out for you. I'm gonna get it together. Send it on. We finna unbox this thing. We finna review this thing. We gonna test this thing. We gonna play this thing right here. Look what we got here is the LEKATO wireless guitar system. I'm about to be like Trey Merritt, y'all walking around the driveway. Not a chord in sight. Ooh, come on now. It's 2025. We ain't playing with chords. But I mean, we'll actually, guitar chords, but not like wires. We ain't playing with wires no more. It's wireless now. I remember when I was young, they used to have corded phones. Yeah, they used to have phones with cords on them. These young people don't know nothing about that. These cellular devices and stuff, they wireless. But y'all don't know nothing about having a phone with it. Anyway, it's a new day. And LEKATO is innovating and bringing us the modern technology we need in order to play carefree and wireless. Play wireless, man. I be in here, and even in my little studio right here, and I got cords all in the floor, wrapped up and everything. The folks at LEKATO got the answer to my problems. All right, let's unbox this thing and see what we got. First, let's read the specs on this thing. This is the LEKATO wireless guitar system WS80. All right, it's got 2.4 gigahertz band frequency hopping, baby. 48K over 16-bit high quality signal acquisition playback, folks. Superior 103 decibel dynamic range. It's loud enough, baby. More than 100 feet range indoors. Less than 5 milliseconds latency, no lag or signal loss. Simultaneous broadcast on 4 channels, baby. Up to 8 hours playing time per charge. Ooh, you know what that means? That means you can play a show, get on the road, go to the next show, and play another show. And if you're just doing a little 2-hour sets, you might be able to do it 4 times. Ooh. Golly. That means I could be playing in here, hooked up, and go walk in my kitchen and not have to worry about nothing and come back. That means if I was on the stage, I could be over here on this side of the stage and walk and dance and do my little boot scoot like the Mickens across the floor with no cord and not having to worry about, and I ain't gotta have, I don't know what they call it, what's the name of the man who come out and give you more cable when you need it. We wireless, baby. It's 2025 and the folks at LEKATO is showing out. You hear me? They showing out. Let's check this thing out. All right, so we got the LEKATO wireless guitar system here. We about to unbox this thing. And we look, it's simple, y'all. It's simple. Look. It's a nice little box. It's a nice little box. Let's check this thing out right now. All right, let's check this thing out. We're gonna open it. Let's see how we going. Oh, that's simple. Oh, they made that real easy. Now this came inside an Amazon box. Well, I don't know if it was Amazon, but it came inside a cardboard box. But I pulled it right out just like this. And look how easy they make it. You know, some folks will put a bunch of tape and everything on the box. But then look, check this out. All right. Yeah, look, that's just simple. You ain't gotta make it hard, and don't tape it up. Why y'all gotta make it so difficult all the time? All right, LEKATO. This my manual right here. I'm probably gonna need this, so I ain't gonna toss that. I'm probably gonna need it. All right, we good and protected. I know this ain't damaged. So what we got in here? Oh, what we got? What we got? Let's see how we gonna take this out right here. Oh, snap. All right, we just gonna pull it out like this then. There we go. All right, this is my transmitter. Okay, this is my transmitter. So this is sending sound right here. This is sending sound. All right, and we got the 1/4 inch. What's that? Oh, we got a soft pad on the back. It's got some lights on it. I'm sure the lights and stuff will tell us. It's got an on and off switch. Man, I'm so, man, y'all don't know how ready I am. Y'all don't know how ready I am. This is micro USB. It's micro USB. This is the receiver. They look quite the same, but they got as you can see, they are labeled. This the receiver and this the transmitter, and they're labeled accordingly. Y'all don't know, man. I'm just excited about this. I'm so ready to play. I got my today we're gonna use this amp over here. We're gonna use my little Fender Champion over here. My little Fender Champ 40 with that beautiful churchy tone we gonna get out of it, and we gonna see what it's about. This right here came, let's see what kind of cables it came with. And that's all we have in the box. I'm gonna sit this right here for now. And what we got? Let me see what kind of cables they gave us. Okay. Whoa. Oh, look what they did. The cable. Okay, so we got USB-C and excuse me, I said USB. This is just USB. I said USB-C, but this is micro USB, and they gave us 2, so I can charge them both at the same time. And you can hook that up to anything these days, man. I'm really excited. I wonder if they came out the box with some charge on them. What we got? Oh, look at there, folks. Look, it's slick. It's got a good little weight on it. It's light, and it ain't like I feel like I'm gonna break it if I squeeze it or something like that. You know, some stuff too light. This is good. This is good right here. Woo, and look at them eyes. Look at the eye. I like the LED eye. All right, so, and it looked like this the link button. I ain't read the manual yet, but I'm just gonna make some assumptions because, man, a lot of time stuff need to be made user friendly where you can really just figure it out yourself. Of course, you use the manual and make sure you ain't using it improperly. But man, look how simple that is. Just hook it up. I think I'm gonna try to hit this link button. All right, it start flashing, and I'm gonna hit this link button on this one, and they stop flashing. I wonder if they're hooked up. My. All right, y'all want to see what these? Y'all look. We in the game now, y'all. We in the game. Y'all want to see what these things sound like? Y'all want to see what they sound like? Y'all want to see? Yeah, we got to consider the thing. They could be buzzing. They could be having some interference. It could be all kind of stuff, man. It could be all kind of stuff wrong with them. But I want y'all to check this out with me. All right, y'all stay tuned. I'm finna hook up over here. All right, y'all. So we charged up. We're plugged up. We're hooked up, synced up. All of that good stuff. I'm excited because listen, I don't hear any buzzing. I don't hear any hissing. I don't hear any interference or anything like that. I got a good feeling about these LEKATO WS80 wireless guitar system, this transmitter and this receiver. Hey, enough of the talking. Let's see how it sounds, okay? Let's see how it sounds. Play with me for a moment. All right, y'all. I think it's safe to say these are excellent. Shout out to the folks at LEKATO. Listen, y'all, I'm going to put the link in the description, okay? There's going to be a discount code, but it's only going to last for a moment, okay? So I need you guys to click on that link in the description. Go check out, man. This is very affordable. If you're looking for a budget-friendly wireless transmitter, LEKATO is the thing for you. This LEKATO WS80. Oh, get you. Go. Come get you one.